Hey, where do they run? Huh? What is it? Northbound on Lampstein. Apparently, suspect got into the vehicle and went northbound on Lampstein. So stay right here with me. Stay right here. Hey, where do they run? Huh? What is it? CT1? CT1? 3 CCTY. It just went northbound on Lampstein. Apparently, suspect got into the vehicle and went northbound on Lampstein. Yeah, but she probably dropped them off in this car, so it's the car they gave out. So stay right here with me. Stay right here.
On July 6, 2024, Palm Beach County deputies responded to a retail theft complaint at a South Florida Costco. What followed is a compact case study in Fourth Amendment doctrine and Florida theft grading. Here is the number that anchors this entire case: $240.
Did they say he dropped them off in this car? Did they say anything they came out of this car?
Yeah, he said he ran out.
Out of this car?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How you doing?
I'm good.
All right. The reason why you pulled you over, where's the guy that was in the car with you?
He just told me to drop him off over here and he got out.
So how do you know him?
That's one of my friends.
One of your friends?
Yeah, I was riding down the street and he flagged me down. I was like, what you doing over here?
Where do you drop them off at? In front of the pool area?
Right in front of the entrance. As soon as he turned in the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was trying to turn around and get out. He got out. I don't know what he said.
The female just told me in this vehicle he dropped them off right here. He told me to drop them off right here by the park, the friend of hers, and ran into the wooden area going southbound into the wooden area. Run the vehicle on this. No, I got the idea in there, but run the vehicle, the VIN on this vehicle.
I said Mike.
So you back? So you saw me. You coming out, and you saw me. You back in because you saw me coming down the street. Why did you do that?
He jumped. That's when he said back up and he jumped out there. I promise to God, I didn't even see him. He jumped out there. I didn't even see you coming. He told me to back up and he was going to get out right. And I backed up. I came this way to try to get out.
Hey. So this is a female half that he said when he ran out, this dude flagged her down. It's a friend of his, but flagged her down and told him, hey, come pick me up, kid, come over here, and got in the car and they took off this way. Do you need any, we got her information. Do you still need me to detain her or no? She only knows them by Mike. And stuff. Okay. All right, perfect. Yeah. Hey, she can go. All right, you go. We got your information, so you're good to go. You put her on the corner. Yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem. Fuck.
Off 9 unison. 9 off 11. This female on my 1050 says she's only knows him by the name of Mike. 8 off 9 unison, 35 to 4 check.
Hey, how are you? 65 in progress.
we clear things up on this channel, we can touch back.
Hey, how's it going?
I'll bring it back home.
Hey! Get him! Kinda, no. What? Well, hold on 1 second. Let me see what this is.
Kind of, no.
I walked by me all angry and quickly, and I'm like,
You were
why-
standing up front?
Yeah, kind of near the entry door.
Okay.
And I was like, why is this guy doing this?
Yeah.
And so I'm like, this is, I don't know, and I thought to myself, why is he going like this? Because there's a whole line on the other side. He's beaming around this side. I know when he gets to the end of the line back there on the other side, it's going to be a problem because of the way he's walking.
Yeah.
So
So
then,
he's pretty much going around everybody that's waiting.
no, he hit the bulk wall and beamed it down. And that's immediately I was like, I'm following this guy.
Did you think he was going to hit the emergency exit?
No, I wasn't sure yet.
Oh, yeah.
But the way he walked down the bulk wall, I was like, I gotta follow this guy. I don't know why. You'll see me. I come right behind. This is actually right after he conceals it. He conceals down that aisle.
So to answer your question from before, we stopped the car that you guys.
I have the merchandise. I got it back from him under the canopy.
Okay, that's good.
Everything?
Yes,
Okay.
as far as I know. I saw him select 2 Tenderloins, and that's what I got from him under the
Okay.
canopy. You probably caught the tail end of that when I said, just give me the damn merchandise.
Yeah, I didn't hear that.
Another question: are you guys prosecuting?
Yes.
Okay.
Here you go. Watch. Yeah, I don't know why. He came screaming by me, and I'm like, I'm following it. So watch. There's me. I was like, I don't know what's going to, but if this guy gets in line over here and sees it, it's going to be a problem. So then, he wraps around, and he goes right to the meat case, and I knew it was going to be a problem.
So what was the real quick? What was the first thing that got your attention? What was he doing exactly?
He was walking really quickly, and I've never even seen this guy before.
Okay.
Like, knowing how busy it was on the other side, I thought when he saw the line, he was going to get irate.
Gotcha.
Then he peruses this, but you'll see eventually damn Tenderloin laying on the ground.
And can you identify Mr. Psalm again?
Yeah. Here you go. Look. Okay. So here you see me talking to him, trying to get the merch out. And then he takes the merch out, and he runs off.
Okay. So originally you chose, is that west?
Yeah, that's what I told the lady.
Yeah.
I said he's going to go run west down southern, but then once he kicked around Outback, he cut back towards Lambstein.
Oh, so did he go around the outside out back, like
Yeah.
towards southern? You think? Okay.
I thought he was going to run down the motel.
And you chased him the whole time?
I didn't. The 2 cart guys were on his ass.
Okay, perfect. Are they able to meet us here?
Yeah.
somewhere?
Oh, they're outside. They're getting paid. But yeah, they were the ones that saw the getaway car and all that jazz.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah. So
Cool.
I put the merchandise back in the cooler in the back, just so we can salvage it.
Okay.
'Cause,
Awesome.
I mean, literally, it's a pismo. You know, it's sealed.
Yeah. Well, he almost got away with it.
Yeah,
Good
damn.
job.
You want to know the total?
If you don't mind, if I could get the works, actually,
Yeah, the receipt.
what I can do, you know
It's
how we're doing
120 and 120, almost dead even. So 2 of them. He had.
the $120 each?
Yeah.
Really?
And that's not. He got choice. I don't even know why he didn't get prime.
Wow. Yeah.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, that figure defines the offense. Property valued between $100 and $750 is petty theft of the first degree. That grades as a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. Had the value fallen below $100, the charge would drop to second-degree petty theft. Had it exceeded $750, the case would escalate to grand theft, a felony. The vehicle stop of the driver is governed by Terry v. Ohio. Terry authorizes brief investigative detention on reasonable articulable suspicion. Deputies possessed a matching vehicle description and a matching direction of travel from the radio lookout. That combination clears the reasonable suspicion threshold cleanly. Florida Statute Section 812.015 governs retail theft procedure. It authorizes both merchants and officers to detain a suspect on probable cause. The loss prevention officer's observation followed the 6-step retail theft rule: selection, concealment, continuous surveillance, non-payment, exit, and challenge outside the point of sale. That chain forecloses any defense of accidental removal at trial. The foot pursuit followed modern containment doctrine rather than direct chase. Deputies formed a perimeter around the wooded area and requested a K-9 unit. This approach reduces officer safety risk and produces more reliable apprehensions.
So they located the vehicle. Female was in there, the guy was not in there, and she was kind of playing dumb, like, oh. So it's still good information. It'd be nicer if they got him. Apparently he ran into the woods by the water park. There's like 6 of us there now, trying to find him.
We have a dog? Where's Lyles?
I believe so.
I heard he got one.
Just get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground all the way down. Put your hands behind your back. Do you have any weapons or anything on you? Nothing? Just your phone?
Sir.
Quick, stand up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have him in custody, but I have no way of securing him in my vehicle. I sent somebody over by me. You have nothing that's going to poke me or anything like that. So you said you've been arrested for petty theft. How many times?
Maybe twice.
A lot or no?
Over many.
Many times?
No, over many years.
Oh, many years. Okay.
Yeah, not like all.
Okay. Is this the correct address right here on the driver's license?
Yes.
Yeah. Or we can wait until after we do whatever we
What
gotta
we're
do.
going to do right now, do you have anything sharp on you? Anything like
I
that?
put his wallet up there, and his phone, and his watch.
Okay. What we're going to do, if you don't mind, just have another seat for a couple minutes, and then I'll put that in the local. You don't mind just taking a
I told him I'd give him a little bit of water.
Oh, sure. Wait for some water now? Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna have it. Might be. Hold on 1 second. Let me just. I just don't want to tighten up on you, so I'm gonna lock them. How does that feel? Is that okay?
That's good.
As good as it's gonna get, right?
Yeah.
All right. So if you want to have a seat for me real quick. So once again, just want to clarify, you don't want to provide any kind of statement?
No, sir.
Okay. So at this point, you are going to be getting arrested for shoplifting in reference to an incident that happened at the Costco
Okay.
about an hour ago. Alrighty. Let's put the seatbelt on for you. Petty theft.
Okay.
And that's it.
All right.
Any questions, Sir Juvenile? You want another drink?
I'm good right now. Thank you.
Under Graham versus Connor Force is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Given the recent flight and unknown compliance level verbal commands and standard cuffing were restrained, not excessive. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings before custodial interrogation. When the suspect declined to give a statement, he invoked his Fifth Amendment right to silence. From that point, questioning had to stop unless the suspect reinitiated, and on this record, it did not. Under Chimmel versus California, the search incident to arrest stayed within lawful scope. On the record shown, this arrest would survive both suppression review and civil liability review. The deputies earn a B+ for constitutionally sound work with one minor positioning concern. The suspect earns a D, redeemed only by post-arrest cooperation and a proper invocation of silence. The loss prevention officer earns an A for a textbook 6-step observation and a clean recovery. The lesson for officers: containment beats pursuit, and Miranda compliance protects every charge that follows. The lesson for citizens: silence is a right, but flight and concealment convert misdemeanors into aggravated exposure. And a stranger flagging you down for a ride can turn you into a witness, or worse, an accessory. Let us know in the comments which legal topic you would like us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police court interactions.